Good day mga lagan. Bawal na makasulod ang hubog or nakainom na daan. Para iwas gubot. Yes, 24 hours ta diri bot hangtod 12 lang mi mudawat ag customer. Kay kastorbo ang mga ga-overnight. Gayam 7 p.m. 30 pesos entrance fee, 8 p.m. 12 m.m. 50 pesos entrance fee, if mulagpas mo og 12 mil. Automatic mag additional 50 para overnight stay. Overnight will be 100 pesos per head. Nayate designated comfort rooms for male and female. Ang manghihibisan asa na ay multa nga 500 pesos. Bawal magdala og food sa kilid sa pool and bawal maligo ang wala naka-proper swim attire. If naay mo violate, automatic mo charge me. Og 500 pesos. Sa maghugaw 2x sa pool, ang musuka sa pool, automatic 3,500 pesos. Og ang manghihi sa pool automatic, 1,000 pesos. Nayate designated garbage bin. Bawal maghugaw 2x ang masapon multahan og 500 pesos. Be responsible sa inyong mga hugaw. No smoking everywhere, natay mga smoking area. Maudianing aerial view sa Kassandra's Hills Nature Park super kanindot. Sa view grabe ka overlooking. Very nice gyud ni ko nga duna kamoy. Event like birthdays, kasal, meeting and etc. kay luwag ang area. Ang pinaka-the best nga adventure ay ang ATV. Rides grabe gyud ka enjoy. Dili ka angay mataranta or mahadlok tungod. Kay naay mo guide nimo basta sundon lang gyud nimo ang instruction. Ni Boss Skylog Venture, dunaport sila belaran, dart, video kahan. Baril-barilan o ang bonfire sa gabi sa inyo makita mga friendship patsada gyud ang aerial view nila diri. Ang view deck nga grabe kanindot sa view, na napod sila. Camping room diri nga 500 pesos only. Shoutout di ko kay Boss Skylog Venture, ang the best tour guide sa ATV rides OG sa mga staff nila diri. Nga grabe ka mga bautan. Thank you sa time and God bless Kassandra's Hills Nature Park. Recharge with nature and make lasting memories. Experience binukid life within a few minutes from the city. What to expect? Kassandra's Hills Nature Park is 100% sustainable solar-powered farm. With only a limited source of power, the following are to be expected and observed for a pleasant stay. 1. Rooms offer basic accommodation with no AC. Electric fans are available, but for daytime use only. No need to worry about humidity at night since the area is windy due to its elevation. 2. Power for charging devices are available. However, high-energy consuming appliances such as electric stoves, samgyupsal burner, rice cooker, etc. are not allowed. So our guests can bring their own cooking utensils, butane, gas stove, or use firewood at the designated area with no fee. 4. Toilets are communal but are always kept clean. 5. Limited signal with no Wi-Fi. 6. 4x4 vehicles and motorcycles can maneuver through the off-road uphill. To the farm, guests with no vehicles should expect for a minimal hike from the jump-off, or you can contact Kassandra's staff ahead of time if you wanted to be pick-up or fetch at the area. 7. Sedan can park to designated area. A vehicle can also fetch guests from the jump-off at the foot of Kassandra's Hill with a corresponding fee. Make sure to arrange and inform of your arrival time prior to your visit.